Welcome back to Instabulls, everyone. So I'm going to go over two things with you guys. I'm going to go over our major breakout that we had in the Instabulls room with BFRI. I'm going to go over exactly which levels and indicators we would be looking for to have a continuation. And the market has been very slow, so I'm going to go over the market with you guys on a bounce day today for multiple red days that we had throughout the week, reacting to the new variant that was found in the US. We had multiple cases found in the US today, but however, we did close very strong today on a strong bounce, looking to see if we can continue on with this momentum. Which levels are we trying to hold above here in the market? I'm going to go over all this with you guys. And all I ask in return for all of this is you smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts and market updates that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go over BFRI with you guys here on the 5-minute chart so you guys can see how this one played out today, what exact momentum we're looking for to have a continuation. Then I'm going to go over the SP 500 with you guys so you guys can see what the market looks like. Again, the market very choppy today, looking to see if we can get more momentum going into next week. So as you guys can see on the 5-minute chart with BFRI, we mentioned them in the morning at $3.80, jumping up to $6.50 on the day, over 60% on that breakout. As you guys can see, we mentioned that we were high risk at $6.50, and the reason why I mentioned that is because you guys can see we have this decrease in buy pressure on the MACD, showing us momentum to the downside, even did retest, and as you guys can see, we did retest while we had this momentum to the downside. So again, having that increase in sell pressure in result to that decrease in buy pressure, showing us that momentum to the downside. And as you guys can see, we did try to retest one more time. Did not have any buy pressure at that point in time, showing us that momentum to the downside again. And as you guys can see, we did continue to pull back. And overall, we were trying to break out of this bull flag here. As you guys can see, we would have had a bull flag if we did continue on up. But however, as you guys can see, we did drop below it and we did continue on bearish. Looking to see if we can hold over $5 going to tomorrow is what I'll be looking for to have a continuation here with BFRI. A pretty simple play here, looking to see if we can hold our $5 and looking to see if we can get back over this breakout point that we're looking for here at $6.57 is what I would be looking for here on BFRI. Again, BFRI, one of the very few stocks that has been very volatile, but again, has been on quite the sell-off recently. So again, I definitely would be careful, just looking to see if we can hold $5 as a support and to get this 20-moving average to cross back over the 50, as you guys can see. Now, I will keep BFRI on the watch, but however, we are not expecting a continuation here. Looking to see if we can hold over $5 to continue on past $6.57 is what I'll be looking for. And the reason why I mentioned $6.57 as a very key point is not only because we got rejected today, although that is the reason why we did get rejected. As you guys can see, we had our major bounce from our major sell-off that we had previously at this point. We also had a major bounce previously, which gave us this continuation. So I will set an alert here at $6.50, and if we do ever break above it with confirmation here on the MACD, then I will be mentioning this one in the Instabulls room. Now, jumping over to the market here, I want to mention something specific about the market. This is very interesting in my opinion. You guys can see we had this major spike this morning. We had a pullback, and we did have another bounce here off the 50-moving average, and we did bounce over the 20, respected the 20, and right as all of this was happening, we actually had the new variant coming out in the US in multiple states. The market looking to see if we can react to the upside on that news, and sure enough, broke into new highs, held new highs throughout the day, looking to see if we can continue on with this momentum. So again, I do like how the market has closed today. We're looking to see if we can continue on into new highs overall in the market, but I did want to mention that we did continue on into new highs as we did find more variants found in the US. So again, in my opinion, that's very positive for the market as far as what the market has to offer as far as positivity. As you guys can see, again, we have been selling off, looking for a bottom overall, as you guys can see here on the 4-hour chart. Again, continuing on down, looking to see if we can continue on with the reversal here. Now, I also want to mention something about the overall market here on the RSI. As you guys can see on Monday, with the variant that was found in Africa, we actually were oversold. But as you guys can see on these two spikes, the last few days, we actually are not oversold. So again, in my opinion, the market could be cooling down for a possible reversal. We're going to be looking for a possible reversal here. Again, we could reverse here, or we could continue on down and possibly reverse at this level that we're looking for here at 442 that we did mention previously. And the reason why I mentioned this is, as you guys can see, we did have our invert head and shoulder showing us that reverse here on this momentum, and sure enough, having this confirmation exactly here at 442. So looking to see if we can hold over 442 here in the market is what we're looking for if we do continue on down. But again, the key point here is that we did react strong to the new variant found in multiple states today. Looking to see if we can continue on with that reaction to the new variant is going to be very key in the market. And just a reminder, we have unemployment rates coming out tomorrow, CPI inflation reports coming out next week, and also Jerome Powell next week. So again, the market has a lot to be digesting in the next couple weeks. But however, I do like how we have been reacting. Again, the market, in my opinion, is an absolute beast the way that it has been reacting compared to other markets. If you look at other markets, we do have major sell-offs in the market because of the variant, but however, our market is actually holding up pretty strong. So again, in my opinion, looking for a reversal here, very much going to be on the watch. We are still below the 20-moving average here on the 4-hour chart. So looking to see if we can get back over the 20 is going to be very key. As you guys can see, previously we had these sell-offs, and as you guys can see, we finally did jump back over the 200 moving average, and that is what continued on with that bullish momentum that we were looking for. So just looking to see if we can get back over the 200 moving average to possibly get that momentum that we're looking for to have a continuation here. Now, with that said, I know the market has been very choppy. Most breakouts have been pre-market news into open. We mentioned pre-market news before market open every single day. Go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel, all of you instables that have been coming over and supporting the channel, I appreciate every one of you guys. Much love to every one of you guys. God bless you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help the find it, and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.